Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the video about the unboxing of this earbuds. So these are the KZZ1. I really like these buds. So we're going to unbox these first and then we will do something other. So as you can see, the plastic is off and this is the quality. So as you can see, this is how the box opens. And so guys, let's check this thing first. So we have some things like in here. So what is this actually? So this is the user guide. As you can see, it is telling something like so actually this is the iPhone, not Android. So yeah, so we will put this aside. We don't need this, we need this. So okay, we will do this one. So they have actually given you this thing to just pop out this. Is there anything else? Okay, I think there is something in here. So the packaging is actually pretty nice. I really like the packaging. So what is this? So definitely this is the cable, charging cable, and some extra tips. So let's put this aside and see these parts. So guys, this looks very beautiful, as you can see. So if we just open this is how it looks. We have plastics, and yeah, so I actually ordered this in green color, which looks, I think, very premium. So we will peel this off. So this is the, the sticker. So also we will peel this also. We will peel this off also. So guys, now it is, look how beautiful it looks. I think these are very beautiful. So this is the box. So guys, I will show you the sound quality, then after checking battery time and sound quality I will come back. So guys, I have tested the sound quality, which is very amazing. So the bass is a little bit lighter than I thought, but the actual sound quality and the clarity is very amazing, and it is very clear. You don't need like those kind of features like some expensive earbuds have, the noise cancelling feature. So those earbuds really cost like $200 to $300. So but you don't need that feature in this earbud, because it is that much loud you can't hear anything, no matter what. So it is very loud. The voice loudness is very amazing. So you don't need anything at all, and you don't have any complaints. It fits in your ears very easily, and it is actually designed for the exact same like your ears. Just look. So it fit in your ears like it is the part of your ear, actual ear, which is, I think, pretty amazing design. Not many earbuds do this. So this is actually the box, and we'll open the box and let's see. So the box is also pretty good. The box have magnets, and I think these are the best earbuds for the price. You can get these for $60 to $70, comparing to your country. So I think you should definitely buy this. I definitely recommend this. So thank you guys for watching my video, and peace.